Hello Rideout people. Well, it's the last day in January and I'm all togged up. Lots of layers, heated gear on because it's about 29 degrees. Pretty cold today. And it's not going to climb out of the 40s, I don't think. And I've got probably about I don't know, 270 mile ride, something like that. I'm trying to go to a place called Cherokee Rock Village, which is out kind of very west of us in Alabama, and it's a known climbing zone. Maybe get some good footage of some of the climbers there if there's any about, and just somewhere different to ride with the guys. We normally ride north, so we're going to go west today, and I'll take a little bit of VT along the way, so stick around. So we're at my BMW dealers, Woolies in Marietta. Got some of the boys have arrived already, and we're going to get a hot cup of coffee, and then we're going off to Alabama. So we're at this beautiful establishment, as you can see. We're in the middle of nowhere. I have no idea where we are. Just glad I brought my gun, basically. And anyway, the Cherokee boys are filling up with gas because they need it, and the BMW boys, of course, we don't need gas because we've got those fancy big tank things going on. But anyway, we're in deepest, darkest Alabama, and we're going to continue with our journey. So we're about 125 miles from home. Just got here. Cherokee Rock Village. It's got some pretty interesting rock formations and amazing view. I'll take a few pictures of the view. Maybe we'll get Jerry to put his drone up and have a quick look at that footage as well. But still very chilly, low 40s, and glad to have a little walk around. Oh, this place is pretty wild. Some big old rock formations. It's like something out of the Stone Age or something. So we're at a place called Mountain Parkway now, and we're going to have a spot of lunch, I think. It's gone pretty chilly again. It's down kind of high 30s or so, but we'll see what lunch brings. So we're at Exxon garage now, middle of nowhere, and Jerry's flying his drone about, annoying everybody, which is quite fun. And had a good day. The weather's improved a bit. It's kind of up to kind of mid 40s now. Still pretty chilly, but hey, it's winter, isn't it? So there we go. But I had quite a nice day. I enjoyed looking at the rock climbers and the rock formations. I had a nice lunch out in the countryside. Put the high-tips on. Heading our way back. Next stop I think is Allatoona Lake, so take a couple of pictures there and speak to you soon. Hi there, so we're at Allatoona Lake now. Very beautiful spot. It's very dull and overcast, so probably doesn't look it today, but that bridge has been used in quite a few movies, and it's a nice little boat ramp place here. And normally in the summertime this water is full of boats and people on jet skis having fun and larking about. So anyway, we've had a pretty nice ride today. It's warmed up a little bit, even though I've got lots of layers on still, and brought a second set of batteries for my heated gloves, so I've been perfectly warm. Anyway, just thought I'd show you what I've been up to this weekend, and ride often, ride carefully, ride on.